Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coco Knows. I am gonna do a quick video. I'm gonna experiment. I don't know how well this is gonna come out, but I'm gonna turn my wash and go into a rod set. So I'm using this size. So they come in a package like this. I don't really know how many. I think I have like maybe 4 bags, and it has 8. They have 12 in there, I think. Oh, actually, it's more than 4. So I'm gonna say I have like 6 bags of these. I've already used, I think, about, I don't know, maybe 3 bags already. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna use some spraying pieces of hair. So I'm just kind of pull out a piece of hair. There's nothing on this besides that leave-in conditioner and a curl enhancing smoothie that I use for my wash and go. And I decided, I kind of got bored with that, so I decided to turn it into something different. So I basically will just kind of spray. I forgot to tell you guys what I'm using. So I'm using a spray bottle, and then I'm using Argan Oil, Cream of Nature, Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. It smells really good, goes on great. It's not sticky so far. It kind of, you can see it's giving it a shine as it's drying, and I'm going to sit under the dryer just because I want every single piece of curl to be dry, and I know it's not going to do it overnight. So I spray a little bit on it. I use my brush to kind of comb it out a little bit, or brush it out a little bit, and then I will put 1 pump of my foaming lotion on, and then I'll use a comb. I'm using this type of comb for this one, just to kind of make sure all of the foam is combed through my hair. And then I'll just take a rod, place it at the end, and make sure that it's all the way at the end, and then I'll just roll. Yeah. I'll just roll, and I want to make sure that my ends are completely smooth, because if not, then I'll have like little flyaway rough ends. And then, so this is my first time using these on myself. So we'll see how it goes. I've done it on other people, but I've never done it on my own hair before, so it might be a little difficult. So as you can see, I kind of started a little bit already on them. And so, yeah, as you can see, this was a wash and go. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So after I took out my rollers, I separated each curl, well, most of the curls, with Jamaican black castor oil. I just put just a little bit on my fingertips and kind of just went through as I separated them, just so that it would give it a little shine. And then I just used just a regular pick and just kind of went through and just picked it from the top, and then I kind of went underneath. I did most of the picking from underneath because I didn't want to disturb a lot of the curls on top. And so I just kind of went through like so, or I might kind of go in sideways and just pull just a little bit from the root to kind of give it its shape. And it looks like I want it to look. It looks, it's full, it has a good shine to it. And I'll turn around so you guys can see. I didn't put any, so what I did was turn my wash and go into a rod set. So I didn't rewash my hair or anything. I just literally used a spray bottle and some foam setting lotion to kind of give it its hold on the rod. And so yeah, I'm not sure how long it's gonna hold. I'm not sure if it'll hold up throughout the week, but I will take a picture tomorrow and in a few days again, so you guys can see the progress or see how long it holds. And that's really it. That's all I did. It was simple. It didn't take long. So I sat under the dryer, and then I slept with my bonnet on and let it air dry. Whatever wasn't dry, let it dry the rest of the way. A few of my curls didn't dry all the way. It's okay. I just kind of coiled them with my finger as I took them apart, as I took the curls apart, and you can see how some of them weren't dry all the way, but it's okay. I just just like that. So yeah, if you guys like, if you like it, comment down below, like, subscribe, hit the little bell so that you guys can get more of my videos. Yeah, and I just pray that it holds up. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.